Hi, today we will teach you to use Construction 2.
Go to Construction 2.0 via Advanced Tools. Select one single room in the floor plan navigator. Switch your angle and choose the target face. Click the material brush and copy the material of one face. Then, paste the material to the target face. Use guides to precisely locate the modeling position. Input the distance to the edge manually. Pick line, rectangle, circle or arc tool in the top bar. Then, draw your modeling face. Use push-pull function to pull the face. Input the distance by yourself. Add your light strip. You can adjust the brightness and color of it. Hold down Shift to select one path to place the strip. There are 4 quads you can add light strips to. Choose one quad. Then, the strip is ready. Back to DIY tool. View your modeling. Render. That's all for today. See you next time.